The Eagle Off-Road Mobility Scooter by Golden Technologies is built to take you anywhere. This rugged, high-performance scooter takes your outdoor adventures to the next level. Golden, one of the most trusted names in mobility scooters, created a powerful four-wheeled ride to take you around the farm, on hiking paths, or up steep inclines in style. Not only is this off-road scooter built for outdoor terrain, but it will navigate bumps, hills, and turns effortlessly with smooth suspension and 13-inch pneumatic tires. This powerhouse features a 500-pound weight capacity, incredible climbing ability, a full LED lighting package, and up to a 32-mile range with the optional 75 amp-hour batteries. Though it's built to handle rough terrain, this scooter still sports luxury features to keep you driving in style. A high-tech LCD console displays your speed, odometer, fault codes, and battery energy level at a glance. Place your coffee in one of the drink holders, recline your seat, and connect your music to one of the Bluetooth speakers for a relaxing ride. Place your belongings in the front basket or water-resistant storage compartment for extra security. Swivel into the luxury high-back captain seat and adjust the tiller to your comfort. Regain your independence and freedom with the Eagle Off-Road Mobility Scooter by Golden Technologies. Call AutoMobility Store today and receive a free accessory bundle. And don't forget to subscribe and comment below.